Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Shadow the Hedgehog from Sonic. So let's get started. To draw awesome Shadow, let's first start by drawing his nose. So I'm going to start right here with a tiny little curve. And then I'm going to round it off and bring it towards the center on both sides. And I'll just come right here and give a little highlight and shade this all in. There. Then I'm going to come above this nose and just draw a soft curve right over the nose. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and bring this down. So this is kind of where the eyes are going to be. So it's going to be nice and wide. And same thing here. I'm just going to bring this out. About right there. And then now that it's pretty even on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and go up right here. Nice and high, about right here, and I'm going to bring it down towards the center. So about right here, I'm going to start to bring it down, and right here we're going to curve right towards the center and do the same thing on the other side. So go up nice and high, and I'm just going to drag this point across, just approximate. Same on the other side, and once again just bring it in. There, to create these two very tall sockets for his eyes. Then from there, I'm going to come right about here and just draw a curve. And same thing here. This is the red part in his eye. And then we're going to come right about here on this side. And just kind of as if I'm drawing an oval. And then we're going to come inside once again. And draw another oval. And then right here, I'll just put in a circle for a highlight and shade this all in. There. And so this part would be red when you color it. So let's do the same thing on the other side. All right here, just like the other side. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come right about here and we're going to pop this part out for his cheek. And same thing here. Just pop this out. And let's go ahead and bring it down. So we're going to aim towards the center. So let's say about, oops, say about there, I guess. And then go ahead and just draw a curve towards your point. And same thing here. There. And of course, let's give him a smile, cool smile. We're going to bring it up and cap it off. There. And then let's see here. Let's come back to the center before I forget. I'm just going to draw a little detail, little curve. And let's draw some curves here. Some detail here as well. And then we can go ahead and come back to this area and we're going to go around our eye. Just going to start to draw the head. And same thing here. Just draw a curve around the eye. There. So now that we have that, let's go up a tiny bit more and start to bring it in. And about right there, now we're about the same height. I'm going to go ahead and start his ears. So we're just going to go up, draw these pointy ears, about right there, and then bring it in. And as I bring it in, I'm going to stop it by just kind of imagining this curve. So I'll stop about right here, and let's come in. We're going to draw a curve right here for a thinner part, and just imagine this curve is coming up. I'm going to draw a curve right about here. And then connect it. So this part is thicker. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So just kind of drag this across approximately right here, just imagining this curve. And here, so we're going to draw another ear and bring it down. And so once again, same thing, thinner right here. And then imagine this is going through. And connect. There. So we have his ears in, then we can draw the hump. So let's come about right here and here, and then aim towards the center to create our hump. Just about right here, and then round it off and bring it down. There, and then of course we have to put in the red part. So right about here, and bring it towards the center. Just create this curve for some detail. Okay, so then from there we need to draw his hair, right? Or you can call them quills. We need to draw 2 on both sides. So about right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and curve out. And I'll end about right here. So I'm gonna round this part off, bring it down. And then right here, we're gonna draw another one, go up, and let's bring it to about right here. Round it off again, and in. There. So we need to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag some of these points across just so that it's just a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going. Okay, so I got these 3. So I'm just going to go ahead, just like the other side, approximate, round it off, bring it down to here, and then once again we're going to curve it out about right here and connect everything there, just approximate. And then we can come in here and just give some details for the red part here, and then here as well. There. Okay, so then now we can finally draw his body. So we're going to come right about here, kind of in the center of the eye, come down. Let's round off his shoulder. And let's skip a little bit of space, come down, come where his armpit area would be. Give myself 2 points, and I'm just going to draw a slight angle line coming down. Not too much, just a little bit. And then from there, we're going to go ahead, we're just going to simplify the body. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a soft curve, and this is where I'm going to start his legs. So with that, I'm going to bring this down, I'm going to angle in, and then we're going to start to go out a little bit. And same thing here. So we're just going to go in and then come out just slightly. There. Okay. So then from there, let's work on these amazing shoes. So I'm going to come right here and draw the cuff. Then there's kind of this ring, sort of curve. And then here comes the tricky part. So I'm going to come down with a curve, and it's nice and high. And this is going to come out with a slight curve. Then let's angle this in. Then we're going to bring it down and go across. From there, we're going to bring this down. And let's see here, we're just going to come in, go around, then right here, break it in, out for the heel, and connect. So then right here is where we're going to come right about here with some detail to finish it off. And I believe there's like a little detail here. We could put in a little circle and maybe break up the color right there. It's just a simplified, hopefully easier way to draw his shoes. Okay, so let's do the same thing on the other side. Got the cuff, this ring part. Then same thing, curve, pop it out, and then we're going to bring it in, come down, and connect. So then this part is going to come down curve. Bring this in, and then split it and connect. And then right here, little detail. Okay, and then once again, we're going to split the color right here and here. There. Okay, so then finally we can draw his hands. So I'm going to come right here, just have his hands to his side and come down, just sticking it up. And once again, same thing, just like the shoes. It's a little cuff, ring, and then we're just going to have his hands and a fist. So we just draw two curves, angle, angle, and in. And just draw a curve right there. There. So same thing on the other side. So just want where his elbows are bending, put right there. Give it a little angle. Down, and once again, same thing. There. Okay, and then the next little detail we need to draw is this white part on his chest. So just gonna find the center. So I'll say about right here, and I'll start from the center going up. Just easier for me to see where I'm going. I'm just gonna draw these zigzags and go up. Center and then go out, just like the other side. And go up. There. And let's see here if I'm missing anything. I believe that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Shadow the Hedgehog from Sonic 3. I really hope you love how he turned out and that helped you draw him fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw Cute videos. See you later.